In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Apple CarPlay if it's not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch settings. Now toggle on for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes, then toggle it off. This will reset your connection. Now navigate to the option general. Scroll down, click on the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN since it can block CarPlay. Next, head back. Navigate to the option accessibility. Here, find the option vocal shortcuts and launch it. Now disable for this option as it can interfere with audio and CarPlay connections. Next, head back. Go to the option general. Click on CarPlay. Select your car and then toggle it off and choose forget this car and set up again from scratch. Also make sure Bluetooth is turned on since wireless CarPlay depends on it. Or connect your iPhone using a USB cable if your car uses wired CarPlay. Finally, if it still does not work, go to Settings, General, Transfer, Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings and go through the process. After your iPhone and car restart, try reconnecting and your Apple CarPlay should start working again. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.